And Thursday, you see me all the early morning vibes. They say, yo, please, remember to subscribe to the channel, you know, man. You see me? For all the latest update. Yeah. So, today, though, we are talking about the man them a kill the woman, them. You see me?
Yeah.
So, what you think, Jagan? And
Right,
Thursday, we are talking about the man them a kill
Man,
the
them
woman.
stop.
Yeah.
I say it already.
Yeah.
And I say it again. I say it again and again. I want them to stop. Kill the woman, them brother. An idiot thing, brother. If you're a batty man, you know, go with batty man. Don't place, brother.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
understand
yeah.
me? Bend the man, stop killing blood clot woman, brother. You hear
Why
that?
am I
Them chop
kill
up
her
the
for
young
woman?
girl yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm a Ben right now. My name can't talk how I feel next, brother. I'm gonna kill out the woman them in a center mass. Wet this and what this
and what
all
this?
over the world. I'm gonna kill be a woman.
So then kill out the woman like a beer man, them all
A
left
free
back.
man them want to see a wagwan. And them a sell rope for the end themselves. Them stop sell rope. A one place rope for there.
Yeah.
And I broke place down at the broke neck place.
Yeah. But we hope them stop
Rope,
selling rope.
Stop selling rope, brother. And when the man and kill some man, I run go take rope, then I want to get gunshot.
Yeah. Them a
You
run go
understand?
take-
Them a
yeah,
take rope,
yeah.
then I want to take gunshot. You hear that? And when I say again, before you kill a woman, kill me now. Before you kill a woman, because nobody can kill a woman over there now.
What you say? What you say if we can kill you
Kill me.
before you kill a woman?
Before you kill a woman, kill me first, because I'm going to attack them back, you know.
Yeah,
I told
yeah.
you one day in blood clot said. Yeah, man, without attacking. But I go feel that. I go feel that I'm drunk when I want him, Mr. Man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, that's how we deal with people right now.
Yes.
So,
So
any boy
that
think
man will
them
kill
bad.
a woman and don't hang himself. If all you go buck him, that
Money
kill.
that depend head, man. All when we got hell, me I find in here. Anyway, the man. Everywhere them are dirty. And we look at man, we stop killing man, brother.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that's a topic. But today, right now.
Yeah, the man them a kill a woman.
And another thing, the woman them for know if the man with them attack.
Yeah.
If I dead them attack, I look like someone directly attack chop and chop up.
When you say woman, they if you know the type of man where them a talk
Because
to.
look here. Oh, me and Tuss not chop up nobody.
Yeah.
I chop up no woman or nothing. That's our last blood that.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
some man feel easy, brother.
So hold on, you feel like say some of the time a woman in cause even though the problem really and the woman say yo she ready for relationship done. The man ain't enough to do that.
The man not fi pack up in things them, man.
Man, where you say walk out? You not to do that, no.
When you do that, man, just be easy yourself, no brother.
Yeah.
Just think over in your life. Just look in yourself.
You have to kill the woman.
Yo.
You know you have to kill a woman, Jagan.
So, brother, how much man they have me say?
There's a lot of
When I lose one man in a million more money I get in a brother.
Yeah,
Millions, you know.
yeah.
So when you do that, you know, you make everything bad. Everything bad like a corona you have to do. I even bad because death, you know, corona get you no much. But you just a kill instantly. When you kill instantly, you know, so when you go kill off woman then, you know, kill off the whole nation, man, and one nation not a kill off, you know, man.
So you man enough to kill a woman, none at all.
No matter.
So Jagan, where you do that boy they kill a
You
woman?
left it alone.
Yeah. Jagan, where you do that boy they kill a woman?
Well, right now, women that do it, do it already. Me that time up and hanging. When I run go do it, I know I get it. Look here. I sin bad man. So we need to lower them thing, the big man. Right now, I'm serious panic enough.
Yeah,
Man,
yeah.
if we stop killing woman, them done.
Because that no solve the problem.
One good for them thing there. Them a make the dragon place look shabby. Man, I kill woman, them thing there. You hear that?
Yeah.
When they don't want them, we want them.
Yeah.
That's what I said. The woman, them a take them because them a choose and them a make them choose.
Them are running at some kind of
Man where we kill them and them not have no flex. We flex with them type of man the way them are.
Where you see say we like so them a talk about some madman.
Madman and then they can't flex. We the madman them, cause madman they know why you walk or nowhere at all.
Please.
And look for nobody. Madman go drink rum and come back and chop you up. Some man drink rum and can't manage himself.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Yes,
Some man
yes.
love rum.
Hey boy, please. Where is it?
Yeah,
So,
man.
If you lower them thing there.
If you know them thing that done.
Well, go ahead and think there. Yeah. Fire. You see me? So We say all of them boy they know we are do them thing there. So where you feel like cause them thing there sometimes?
I'm gonna kill them.
Where you feel like cause them thing them more?
When I'm up a white time, I can't even feel a walk. You walk one and the boy hang himself. The two of them hang
You hang yourself?
Two of them, yeah. I know you say hang himself. I don't know what I don't know how true it is. See? But we hear the guy hang himself who killed the girl. We have that, you know. Where's that? I say it on a roll. If you talk with me here.
You know, so we're against licking everybody seeing we are doing it.
The dead man? When you say shadow?
This is against licking everybody seeing.
I went to dead.
Yes. Serious lick seeing we. They call him Duppy Freight when they in a hill, anyway.
They call him what?
Duppy. Duppy. I remember in Duppy, I see somebody I get the Duppy award.
So more you tell me what you think, brother. What you think all about them man youth? What cause that stuff? What cause them thing man youth?
When I feel like
jealousy, man.
Yeah.
Too much.
Too much jealousy.
Too much what?
Jealousy. Them jealous too much. Yeah. Jealousy, I want. I don't know about something go on this one.
Yeah.
I do something with too much manners.
Too much manners, see?
Him man them see too much. I might give them man them too much. Okay, he might give them man them more than way he might get. So, I don't know. Something go on. I don't know. We couldn't make it on.
No matter what goes
But still, you know, we always still, you know, but the woman pretty still, you know, but you see the woman? You're wrong picture. Because when you see the man face, how the man face look one little weird. You should have known that man there.
If you take caution.
So if you go precaution there.
So you know the man?
I don't know him, I see pass boy here. And told me see man face make up.
Oh, yeah, because when they say pass through, you walk through more time for children.
No, I must have got there live.
No, talk. But let me tell you this, bad man. You say you know him, man. You say you see him face with him, and then you have to say, me and you talk with them, you say you come. You have to come straight with me, come say, boy, I will kill you, man, will kill them.
Yeah, because we don't like
dead
woman.
seriously, you know. You see me?
Boy, them want to do them thing. Look at woman, they look good,
You know
man.
how much butter me get?
The woman, they look cocky.
Look how much woman passed through me and gone left me, and them still alive. So why some boy I kill him and then go through what me go through? Woman never take their money and not give them nothing.
I
ain't a kill. They not kill.
Me even box, me even lick.
Yo, more repeat what you say. Me not hear what you say good.
You hear what me say?
No, me not more.
If you don't hear what me say.
Woman never take your
The
money.
video we hear and tell you after. But what me say? Some man a kill woman and woman never take $1 from them like when they take how much in 1,000 from me. I don't give me no pussy at all. Listen me now.
No.
Me take it a ball, me ball I water catch woman. Me love woman body now.
Yes,
I look
know.
how me ugly. And some boy are pretty a kill woman. Come man. A pretty killer them.
I don't make no problem.
A pretty killer them. And that the girl them want. Pretty killer. Take them and go kill on yourself. Left me we talk. I announce about nobody.
No, so what you know? What you know, they now look for you with your sense. So
They now look for me we have much sense.
How much in sense? I'm gonna take a photo.
They look for some boy we have looks. We have 3 cents and 2 cents.
Me say they now look for me.
Yes. I'm gonna take up some madman.
Yes, and take up some killer teeth. They don't want me when I no gum and be a gum and no teeth. They want killer teeth, pretty man. Look at them. Pretty man put them in a pretty casket fast. But look at them, me not boast, me not brag a fuck where them a do.
Yeah.
Some boy you got dead.
Yeah.
Any more boy do it run and they not go into the government. Send me drug and have a punishment for them.
My dead. Eh?
So what, man? If you have a problem, come to we, man, and we solve it.
Try the case.
Come to we.
And we make you free.
You understand?
Come please. And no machine now, no machine now for squeeze.
Come to we and tell me what's the deal and some are going and real.
But that not solve a problem. When a man kill a woman, that not solve what do you go on.
You know, right, I know hiding the problem. Because the problem still a going on, nobody know hiding the problem. Look for me now, if me that fool
Yes.
and kill Chickaboom in the room.
When he
Me that
take-
hide the problem, I couldn't tell nobody saying I'm money in taking a rare now.
Yeah, that ain't too.
So my teeth white already.
Yes.
Your bone then.
Can you take your money and gone and you don't get
You
nothing?
hear what me say?
Yeah.
So me have style, you have to have style, some man fi have style.
Yeah.
Them take up a woman until them a give her money and so them think so the pussy are for them. And the woman a for your pussy and not for your pussy have to share.
Yeah, I know.
Pussy have jaw.
Yes, yes. Cause look when you go, say you don't go shop or you go buy. You don't carry home your goods. You just use
The
it.
goods, listen me, you buy pussy, you can't, if you carry it home with you, you know, enough man cut out pussy and put in a them pocket, it think on them. Me know enough man to buy pussy and kill the woman.
Yeah.
And cut out the woman pussy and put it in them pocket.
Cause you say you buy it.
And when the police come in gone with him with it, he can't have jail with the pussy in his pocket.
Cause you say you buy it.
A long time then crime here go and done.
What
And
kind-
it will stop.
What can you say
Man
you
a
buy it?
kill woman.
Too much, you know.
And I cut out them pussy and I do them. And if you buy, if you mostly living or whatever them want relationship. Listen me, them will stop it bad man. If the woman say ready now, if you go.
Yeah.
It's just the next time I told you the pussy up, you know. Now what happen? A secret then after them one another what? A secret them a keep. Bad man, you know, right them thing this thing. The man if you look, the man if you look woman when they can manage.
Yes.
And the woman if you look man when no want them, when they can't do anything. And the man now run around and kill on them. Talk to boy when you know we're up on the road, we're in the street.
Yeah, yeah.
See it's a fire go bad. Talk to a man when in the street and everything. You burn me all in my eye and know me not see nothing. I must burn this thing and deal with it.
You're not busy, you're saying the business is
You
done.
see if my woman, you can hear say woman a give a bun for ears.
Yeah.
So when your ear say the woman a give a bun, when you see it, it's not supposed to affect you that's a kill the woman done.
Cause you
Your
hear
ear already and you, so you expect.
Yeah, I hear
That it happened to me and it me expect it and I say my girl you got to go. Simple, me come in,
Yes.
7 o'clock.
Yes.
I'm in the evening. And when I look myself and grind, I'm not move fast, I burn up. So I said, well, yeah, I don't burn fire up, so. Oh, you know, say the man clothes them, I want burn up. So I say, you move with the man clothes them with you. Here what? Nobody burn them. Go on up back, man. You see me?
So
So
the
the man
back?
take Wiley cane and run down, let me guys see me I come and the girl lay up there and run if the girl up on Wiley cane. So I say, man,
Eh?
yeah, man, me no wise. You never burn no clothes, you run mosquito. And I fuck and grind. So I say, hey, you are my girl.
Yeah.
You got to go. Me no kill her. And when she no want, go and give me one for talk. You what me do now? Me just go in her house and take out her best figure read them and then something there. And put her out. One moment for do kill him. Me put her out.
Yeah.